Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back. Great to be with you again. Today we are doing something very special. It's a salmon barbecue.
Yeah, salmon kebabs.
Salmon kebabs, the way I like it.
Yes.
And the second part we're doing, she knows how to pronounce it better than me. What's the name?
Well, in Russian you call this thing Julienne.
Julienne.
And if you are not Russian, I'm going to explain you a little bit. It's sauteed mushrooms with creamy sauce and we bake it very special way. So you guys have to see how they do it.
It's something very delicious. It's all our family's favorite, okay? So let's start and we'll show you step by step everything. As we mentioned before, we're gonna do salmon shish kebab and we're gonna do julienne on those bread, something very delicious. We love this thing with mushrooms and all the rest of the stuff. So what I'm gonna do is right now I'll marinate my salmon. We're gonna do half a cup of soy sauce, quarter cup of rice vinegar, quarter cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now we're gonna shred 2 garlic, approximately 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now we're gonna put a quarter cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And just mix it very good. Now we're gonna simmer the sauce just a little bit until it becomes a little bubbly, and then we're gonna add the cornstarch in it. Now we're gonna add the cornstarch in it and mix it. We're just gonna cook it for approximately 2 minutes until it gets a little bit thick. This is ready. We're gonna let it stay a little bit to cool down, and we're gonna pour it all over the salmon. See my beautiful salmon? Now we're gonna cut it for cubes, the size that we want, and put it inside the marinade. Add a little bit pepper flakes inside my mixture. Now mix it and add it to my salmon. We're gonna leave it on the side to marinate for approximately half an hour. Now that the salmon is marinating, we're gonna start working on the julienne. So we're gonna start by slicing the mushroom. A little bit of margarine. Now we're gonna put all our mushrooms. Our mushroom is ready. We're gonna take it out. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour and I'm gonna toast it a little bit. Quarter cup of sour cream and a quarter cup of heavy cream. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of boiling water. Mix it all up. A drop of salt, black pepper, just a little bit nutmeg. Okay, you cook this thing for a few minutes until it gets a little bit thicker. Now it should be good. Okay, let's prepare our bread. This is where we're gonna stuff our mushroom and the sauce and everything. Oh, looking good. You gotta smell this bread. This bread smells so good.
Also freshly baked today.
Yeah.
So you have to remove the inside.
This is one. Don't take everything out, a little bit, you know. This way you enjoy the bread also a little bit. Let's work on the second one.
I'm gonna have a little piece.
Are you eating the bread? Are you eating the bread before the dinner is ready?
It's so delicious. When we bought the bread today in the morning, it was still warm. So it's nicely and freshly baked today.
I tell you, this julienne has to be one of the things I love to eat. It's so delicious. Where is originally?
I think it's from Russia. What did you just do?
The bread does taste good.
I caught him in act.
Okay, let's stuff it right now. Inside the bread, we're gonna put mushroom. Now we're gonna put the sauce. We're gonna put shredded cheese on top. I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese on top. Now the only thing is, you know, usually we cook outside everything, but this one has to go inside the oven because we need a broiler also on top to melt the cheese. So while it's going to be cooking inside the oven, we're going to start working on our salmon. We're going to start barbecuing our salmon, okay? Temperature in the oven is around 350 for approximately 15 minutes. For the last 5 minutes, just try to broil it on top. This way you get a nice crispy color. My salmon is ready. I'm going to put it on a stick. Now we're gonna put our good looking salmon. You have to first let it hang. Before I'm gonna put it on a flat surface, I'm gonna let it hang a little bit, and usually salmon cooks very fast. I'm gonna close it, and approximately it's around 4 minutes to 5 minutes on each side, okay? Okay, now that it cooked a little bit, now I'm gonna put it on a flat surface. Put a little oil, shouldn't get stuck. Perfecto, look at that. Hear the sound. Julienne already. Look at this. Little deal inside. Tell me the truth. How good this thing looks. Can you give it a close shot? Close shot. I don't even want to eat it because I don't want to destroy it. But look how good it looks. This salmon, unbelievable, okay? So are you ready to do testing?
Oh my God, so ready.
Are you ready?
I don't think I've ever been so ready. Yes.
Okay, so let's go. Food is ready. We're gonna do the testing. Look how good it looks.
I think I'm gonna go with Julienne first.
Okay.
Oh my God. Look at this cheese.
How is it? Good?
Oh my God.
I want to go first with salmon.
Wow.
Let me try my salmon. Oh my God. Babe, the salmon is a killer.
Okay, I'm gonna try salmon.
Wow.
Teriyaki salmon. Whoa.
Salmon's a killer.
Wow.
Wow, this is amazing.
I have to say, I think this is the most delicious salmon I have ever ate. So the best part is when you break the bread a little bit and you take it with the cheese, just like this.
Another very, very successful food.
Wow.
Try this thing at home. It's really delicious. Just like she did. When you get to the bread part and the mushroom and everything else, it tastes amazing. Guys, great to be with you. My wife gonna finish it off by
saying thank you guys so much for watching, and this concludes our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click notification bell to get notified when we post our videos. Please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to follow our social medias, everything linked down below.
And if you need a good makeup, you remember who to call. And if you need jewelry, just in case, you can always find me at 23 West 47th Street, LB Diamond. Guys, pleasure being with you. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time. It's getting cold. We have to rush home. So we'll see you next time. Take care.